got to know why. Good morning. Welcome. It's a Monday morning at that, and today's date is 3/8/2010. My name's Mario Marciano, 30-year veteran trader. We have a number of new pro trading students who have decided to come and get good in our 52-week pro trading school. And they want to know why they're going to make money. And they're learning right here on a 60-minute chart today that Google and Apple couldn't go higher because it's overbought, and the power of the 60-minute chart versus their other charts they've been learning. And right now, we're going to be buying 170 put options on Google. Why? Because the percent DS is at 96.39. Goldman was a good buy over here, and the percent DS was only 47. Now, this is all short-term trading for our pro trading students. And here is the 170 put option that's in the money. And I did give bids out at $3.10. Remember, the high was $4.38. We're not paying retail either. But we also know that we're going to put a short-term top in, because we are. And basically, we are 96% overbought here. And we can stay overbought a couple of days as long as we're hit down here at $3.10. And I'm telling the new trading students just to buy a couple of contracts. Don't buy 5 or 10, because I didn't say that. Put a limit order out there to buy 2 of those. Okay? And buy them. And we'll take advantage of it, because the people need to know that when you're that overbought, this is the time to be buying that. And I'm going to show another thing on the tape. I'm going to pause it 1 second. All right, basically what I'm showing here is I am showing the Goldman Sachs. The put options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago were up here at $12. They were inflated. And when Goldman moved higher, the contract, the 170 put, which was in the money, that's this contract right here, has gone from the inflated price up here where people were buying them. Now they're deflated. It's a deflated put option. And we can see that the low is 330 by 340. And the SMF Pro Trader is not buying at 438. They closed at 455. And because we're this overbought right here on a 60-minute, using the MACD is going to go up to the top. And the percent DS down here, the most important thing that runs quicker than anything that will establish a short-term or overbought, is that we had a great move here. And it was a great move. And we had senior traders that traded that long, but now we're overbought. And that's when we start buying the, if we weren't 96% overbought here, I wouldn't even be buying the put contract. And the put contract is wholesale. It's deflated in price. And let me prove it to you again. Look at the daily put chart. Here it is, 170 Goldman Sachs put. And the thing about it is, SMF Pro Traders, we have shorted Goldman back in October, November of 09, December, January, February. We made a lot of money on it. We did it just like this. And you're buying the deflated contract here, and you're using the 60-minute chart over here to know that your percent DS can't stay up there. Okay? Because it can't. And basically, what I'm going to say is that anything can stay overbought before it has to come down. If you're buying small amount down here, 2 contracts at a time, and then adding to it, the thing of it is I gave $3.10 bids. And the thing about it is the public that was buying put options, they're retail at $4.55 on the close of Friday, and I'm buying at $3.10. I'm taking a lot of my risk down, but I'm also doing it because I know that I can't stay overbought, just like Google and Apple. And I'll show those videotapes next. So put your bids out there and go in on it, just a couple of contracts to get in the position. Okay? And basically, that's how it's done. Your indicator, MACD, is overbought. Percent DS overbought. CCI is still running higher. Okay? And doesn't make it that Goldman's a bad trend or anything, just that in the short term, we're overbought and we have to be looking at the other side of this indicator. That once all the buyers get crowded in Goldman, that's when these put options get real nice. And I'll recap one more time. The daily put option chart. People, this is deflated. SMF Pro Traders buying it down here at the bottom. So we're taking a lot of risk out on the entry.